Today, we've got an important topic to talk about. And that is the best roofs for snowy climates. If you live in an area with your fair share of snowfall, then you know how important it is to have a durable roof. In this video, we're going to talk about the various materials and underlayment options that are perfect for snowy conditions. We're also going to talk about the materials that you should just, avoid at all costs. Okay? Okay, so let's get into it. Welcome back, everybody, to Energy Advantage, your go-to source for everything solar and roofing. When it comes to choosing the right roofing materials for snowy climates, durability and insulation are key. Here are some top choices. Asphalt shingles. These are a popular choice because, well, they're affordable and they are decent on snow resistance. However, be sure to invest in high quality shingles because that is definitely going to make all the difference. Metal roofing. Metal roofing such as steel and aluminum are the best choice. This material is excellent for snowy regions. They shed snow quickly and they are highly durable. Slate. Slate roofs have an outstanding longevity and can handle heavy snow loads, making them a premium option. Okay, now let's talk about the importance of underlayment. In snowy climates, underlayment is like an essential extra layer of protection. Opt for synthetic underlayment, obviously with high waterproof rating, to keep moisture out and to keep your home dry and cozy. Why these materials are necessary. Choosing the right materials isn't just about staying warm. It's about protecting your home and, of course, saving you money. Here's why these materials are necessary. Snow load resistance. Metal and slate roofs can handle heavy loads of snow without sagging or collapsing. Ice dam prevention. So proper insulation on your roof, like those with rubber underlayment, can prevent ice dams from forming and, of course, prevent water damage. Durability. Investing in high quality materials simply means that your roof will live longer, reducing the need for costly repairs or replacement. Your roof is your first line of defense against the elements, especially in snowy climates. So choose wisely. Worst materials for snowy climates. Okay, so we've talked about the best options, but now let's talk about the materials you probably should avoid. Wood shingles. Wood shingles can rot and warp when they're exposed to moisture, making them a poor choice for snowy regions. Low quality asphalt shingles. Thin and poorly made asphalt shingles can crack and deteriorate under heavy snow and freezing temperatures. Single ply membrane. Single ply membrane like TPO or PVC can actually become brittle in cold weather, obviously leading to leaks and damages. So there you have it, folks. When it comes to choosing the materials for snowy climates, think about durability, insulation, and prevention for ice dams. And remember, stay away from the materials that are not going to help you because, you want to save some money. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you would like us to give you a roofing quote or a solar quote, you can click the description box below, or of course, you can go to our website. Have a good day.